have done sigma 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. So in previous example we saw sigma 0, 1, 2 and how to find out residue module 5. So for any sigma, any modulo, how we can design a Moore or Mealy machine. Okay. So same way we are going to design our transition table first. Okay. This will have Q and sigma. Here 0, 1, 2, 3. So sigma will have 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now and how many? For residue module 5. Residue module 5 means modulo 5 means how many remainders will be there? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. If residue modulo 6, then remainder will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now for modulo 5, so remainders will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So these states are giving this remainder. Okay. So we have given number like that only. So Moore machine how we can design, and same we will convert it into Mealy machine. Okay. So Q0. Okay. So how many remainder will be there? 4 remainder. So here we will write like this: Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, again Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, again Q0, 1, 2, 3, 4, again 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. Now this is our state transition function. Now we have to show for Moore machine. Here we will show the output. Okay. So this output are nothing but the remainders. So we got our transition table. Using this transition table, easily we can design the transition diagram. Same transition table for Mealy machine we can convert it. How we can convert? This 1, 2, 3 represent a state which is giving the remainder. Okay. So here this is now our Moore machine. So we will convert it into Mealy machine. So Mealy machine is having output on transitions. Okay. So here just we will write down that remainder here. So 0, 1, 2, 3. Again 4, 0, 1, 2. 3, 4, 0, 1. 2, 3, 4, 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. We got this Mealy machine, and for this Mealy machine you can design the transition diagram. Okay. So same way any example, any sigma, any residue you can easily design a Moore or Mealy machine. Okay.
Thank you. If you like this video, click on like button and do not forget to subscribe the channel. Click on bell button to get notification of new videos. Thank you.